Finding a good web hosting service can take a lot of time and money. To date, we've signed up with, tested and compared over 30 different web hosting companies. This also means that we have performance data. Uptime and load time are two of the most important factors when choosing a web host, next to their cost. Here is our review process in detail. We sign up with the web hosting plan offered by the hosting service. We set up a blank WordPress website. We monitor their performance, such as uptime and load time. We check their features, limitations, pricing and customer support. We publish the review, updating once a year. All of our hosting reviews are based on each web host's average speed, load time, uptime and cost. Number 5. DreamHost, pay monthly, no higher renewals. DreamHost Pros. Good load time, 648 milliseconds. Uptime guarantee. Monthly plans available. 97-day money-back guarantee. Unlimited bandwidth and storage. DreamHost Cons. Average uptime, 99.94%. No cPanel. About DreamHost. Founded in 1996, DreamHost is one of the oldest web hosting providers. The company hosts over 1.5 million websites, blogs, and applications in more than 100 countries. According to our last 24-month data, DreamHost has an average uptime, 99.94%, and adequate speed, 648 milliseconds, making it a reliable hosting solution. What makes DreamHost different from many other web hosting services is that they offer an option to pay monthly instead of yearly. This means you can sign up for $4.95 and start using your hosting account right away. Alternatively, you can opt in for a 3-year plan which starts at $2.59 per month and renews at $4.95 per month. The basic plan includes a free domain, one website, unlimited bandwidth, and 50 GB SSD storage. Customers also get to use DreamHost's drag-and-drop builder and can add an email for a monthly fee of $1.67 per month. The company offers strong security features, Let's Encrypt SSL, a variety of domain management tools and unlimited data transfer per month. WordPress comes pre-installed and the company also has its own easy-to-use and beginner-friendly website builder. They don't have cPanel, which is well known in the web developers industry, but DreamHost offers their own admin panel which pretty much does the same as cPanel or Plesk. All plans include 24/7 US live chat support. The company has a generous 97-day refund policy. Number 4. GreenGeeks, best green hosting. GreenGeeks Pros. Good load time, 445 milliseconds. Stable uptime, 99.98%. US, Canada and Netherlands servers. Free site transfer. Unlimited bandwidth and storage. GreenGeeks Cons. Questionable refund policy. High renewal cost. About GreenGeeks. GreenGeeks has been around 12+ years and hosts over 500,000 websites. With 99.98% uptimes and load speeds of 445 milliseconds, GreenGeeks offers fast and reliable hosting at an affordable rate of $2.95 per month. Add to this their feature-rich bonuses, high-quality 24/7 customer support, and environmentally friendly practices, and it's easy to see how GreenGeeks are quickly carving out a name for themselves in a wildly oversaturated market. All plans come with a free domain for 1 year, cPanel access, free wildcard SSL, power cacher, unlimited SSD storage, and unlimited data transfer. Customers also get an unlimited number of domain names, unlimited email accounts, and nightly backups. If your website grows bigger, you can always upgrade to their more flexible VPS hosting. Also, GreenGeeks will migrate your site from your existing web host for free. Unfortunately, the $9.95 per month renewal rate may dissuade some webmasters from choosing GreenGeeks over other hosting providers. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Number 3. HostGator, cheapest price. HostGator Pros. Top 2 load time, 350 milliseconds. Cheap pricing, 99 cents per month. Data centers in US, Europe and Asia. Free SSL certificate. 24/7 support chat. HostGator Cons. No free domain. Limited bandwidth on the cheap plan. About HostGator. Our last 24-month data shows that HostGator has an average uptime of 99.95%, but a very fast average loading time of 350 milliseconds, making it the best cheap web hosting you can find. HostGator, who also owns Hosting24, offers extremely affordable hosting plans without compromising too much on the quality and performance of the service. While it's cheap on the price, the features that come with HostGator's plans will appeal to many beginner website owners. The company offers a variety of hosting plans with different features, and all plans come with an easy website builder, free SSL certificate, 99.9% uptime guarantee, and the 24th of July 365 support. HostGator's cheapest plan starts from just 99 cents per month. When you choose a 48-month payment plan, renewals start at $2.15 per month. Bandwidth and databases are unlimited unless you choose the single web hosting plan. With the latter, you'll be limited to 10 GB of disk space, 100 GB of bandwidth, 1 MySQL database, and 1 email account. Most notably, the cheapest plan doesn't include a free domain and has limited processing power and memory. Other services provided by HostGator include cloud, email, WordPress, VPS, Windows VPS hosting. All plans come with a standard 30-day money-back guarantee. Number 2. HostGator Cloud – Best Cheap Cloud. HostGator Cloud Pros. Top 5 uptime, 99.99%. Top 5 speed, 399 milliseconds. Free website transfer. No bandwidth and storage limit. Multiple datacenter locations. Unlimited email accounts. HostGator Cloud Cons. Higher renewal cost. About HostGator. HostGator, founded in 2002, is a popular shared and cloud hosting provider that is currently hosting over 2 million websites. According to our last 24-month data, HostGator Cloud has a strong uptime, 99.99%, and above average speed, 399 milliseconds, making it a strong contender to Bluehost. HostGator offers flexible features, such as unlimited email account, unmetered bandwidth, unmetered disk space, and built-in cache on all plans. Furthermore, all of their hosting plans come with a 99.9% uptime guarantee, free SSL certificate, easy WordPress installs, and a free domain for a year when you sign up for 12, 24, or 36 months. If you want to build a custom website, you can do so with the Gator Website Builder. It's a HostGator's drag-and-drop website builder designed to be an easy, e-commerce-friendly site builder for beginners. HostGator's cheapest plan starts from $2.74 per month when you choose a 12-month payment plan, and renews $10.95 per month. Other than shared cloud hosting, HostGator offers WordPress, VPS, and dedicated hosting plans serving all size organizations from small businesses to enterprise websites. All plans come with a generous 45-day money-back guarantee. Before moving to our top pick for today, here are some honorable mentions. SiteGround – Best Customer Support. A2 Hosting – Fastest Shared Hosting. WestHost – Free Cloudflare CDN. GoDaddy Hosting – Good Uptime, 99.97%. Site5 – Above Average Speed. Number 1. Bluehost – Best Overall. Bluehost Pros. Best Uptime, 99.99%. Top 5 Speed, 405 milliseconds. One-click install for WordPress. Easy to use, beginner-friendly. Free domain and site builder. 24/7 support, chat and phone. Bluehost Cons. Discounts for longer plans only. About Bluehost. Bluehost web hosting has been around since 2007, and they now host more than 3 million websites. They are the most popular, low-cost hosting option for new websites. They are our top-rated web hosting company because their last 24-month uptime and speed are very strong, 99.99% and 405 milliseconds, respectively. Their 3-year introductory price is $2.75 per month, renews $7.95, and that comes with features like free domain name, website builder, and one-click install for WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal through cPanel. So for starters, someone without a website, this is probably the best option. Unmetered bandwidth and 50 GB storage are included in the basic plan. It's a great fit for WordPress websites since it's officially recommended by WordPress.org. Bluehost also free email accounts, 24/7 live customer support and SSL security layer on all plans. It's very easy to use and probably the best entry-level web hosting provider that is both reliable and secure. In addition to traditional shared hosting, the company also offers dedicated, VPS and managed WordPress hosting plans for higher traffic websites. All of their hosting plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee and get instantly activated, so you can start using them right away. That is it for today, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video.